Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Neil dropped off his Street Glide. We ended up doing a pretty decent sized build. So this bike has no tour pack. We went with a Sound Digital Evo X2, 3000.1, Dubiee bass knob, Sound Digital 800.4, Cicada CH in the upper and lower fairings, nothing in the lids. Cicada 10-inch mid-bass drivers, sealed imported factory bags, braced and fiberglass reinforced, and Cicada CH10s, Braille lithium battery, all Stinger wiring, HKI mini DSP. Saul put this build together. Sounds really, really good. And I love these builds because the bike looks completely factory. Factory bags, factory lowers, the bike looks clean until you fire it off. Then you can tell that the bike's been modified and it sounds really good. We're really, really into the factory look here. You get way more bass with fiberglass bags, but a lot of clients don't want to change the look of the bike, and we can make these bikes sound really, really good with stock bags. Obviously it's not competition sound, but it's a really powerful rider bike, really strong parking lot pimp, and factory fit and finish, which is what we specialize in. But build came out really nice. Check it out.
It's the Waffle House. If you ever been here, you know what I'm talking about. People don't dance, all they do is This is the remix. Welcome to the remix. It had to go down. I got something else to tell you about the new Motown. What people don't visit, they move out here. And ain't no telling who you might see up in Lennox Square. I don't know about you, but I miss the Freaknik. Cause that's when my city used to be real sick. People from other cities used to drive for miles just to come and get a taste of this ATL style. I'm the MVP, most ballin'est player. Make my own move. Monday night, you know things change with time. Magic City back looking like 89. All the homies on the south side up in the Ritz. Tuesday night, the Velvet Room, same shit. Wednesday, strokers, I don't go no more. Cause they don't know how to treat you when you come through the door. Thursday night was plush